Before we get into today's prompt, which is hot glue, I just found a couple of bags of art supplies that I had tidied away and totally forgotten about. I've got some white chalk, pack of coloured chalks, some more gouache neo pastels, and I'm not sure, these are probably water soluble, but there were some that were not, they were like oil pastels. And then I forgot I even had them, but they're the Winsor Newton watercolour markers. And so in future videos we will be checking all of this stuff out. Now this is my pack of hot glue, but confession, I actually have misplaced my glue gun, which is the same size as this. So technically it's not a fully fledged heat gun, glue gun. It is a crafter's glue gun, so it is not as hot. This is a wax gun for doing wax seals. And you can see there's a sparkling mauve stick already in. So I'm going to see if the glue sticks will fit it. And if not, we're going to carry on using this stick that's already preloaded, because you're going to get the same effects as the hot glue. So I'm packing everything, and I'm going to be starting to empty this wax from the gun, and so we have to, it doesn't come out as easy as the glue stick, and you'll see that later. The wax is thick, so you can't really draw with it. It's going to be more for pattern work. But I had a go at drawing the flowers, but they didn't work very well, as you can see. So really with the wax, it's more about patterns. Have you guys ever used a glue gun to create textured rubbing boards? Because this is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing patterns mainly on this piece of paper in my sketchbook that is a pink pig sketchbook, and I'm then going to be using printer paper, just regular 90 GSM paper, and doing a rubbing over the top of these patterns. Now this part is where the glue is coming out, and you can see it's coming out looser and more free, so I'm able to draw the flower better. I really love the feel of this texture, it's really good fun. So now I'm just going to get a sheet of paper and a regular pencil and rub over the back. And we're finished. You can see that this pattern was really picked up really well. I'm just using basic printer paper. It's about 90 GSM. Now the flower pattern did get picked up slightly with the petals, but the pattern works better. And it's created almost like a map from space, an aerial view of like the land and the desert. So I really like that effect. How about also checking out one of my subscribers called George on the Rocks? He paints brilliant rock paintings, and he's well worth a visit. So off you pop over to his channel, link in the description.
We're going to paint some dimension, doodle art mandala. This time we're going to paint in the detail for the rose. Welcome to George on the Rocks, where stress release is just one rock painting away.